landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Gihanga ko. So what's the situation right now? We are currently lost. Ako na lang siya kay Lugay na ba kaya ba? Nabil, diha ka maagi ako di mag-video ni mo. Competition eh.
Good evening. For the information of all passengers traveling on Jeju Air Flight 735H13, to reduce the overhead compartment.
Luggage. Yeah. Sa Nabil? Nabil Pinoy kayo.
Puti lagi kay ka. Puti lagi kay ka. Puti na kay ka. Kumusta naman? Ganina namin nagbungat.
Uy, malo ka very Pinoy kay. Wait sa ano siya.
Sina na yan. Na siya katawag niya. Ikaw man good. Ikaw man good. Ikaw man madalang katawan. O gani.
Oh my God, sino finally? Nabil!
Special yan kay ko.
You gani!
Magpapit ka sa ako. Wi-Fi.
What?
Sige atas kunjung anak dan silahkan ambil bukti pembayaran Anda.
What's the story behind it? I can take a video, right?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
And after here, inside the finished product.
Oh, okay.
Candle lang. Candle, not candle, that is the wax.
Oh, okay.
The wax. This wax.
Ah, okay. Kaysa ito sa high school kay kuan man to candle bito. Ha? Kaya beeswax ba?
Would you like to see now?
The finished product? Yeah, sure. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Just, oh my god, this is so cute. Yes.
Yes, sarong men, woman use the sarong. And if you buy this one, you can make another thing from this material like a dress.
Aray. Ayun. Mga 100 man.
We're from the Philippines. She's from the US. Welcome to our place here. Yes. Are you ready to see the coffee plantation here?
No.
I've never been. No? Yeah, we've never been. Okay, can I please take you to the coffee plantation? Yes, sure. Yeah, here we have two types of coffee. Arabica and Robusta. Yeah, this is the Arabica coffee. Yeah, this one the small tree, small leaf, big coffee bean. This one the red color, this one ready take for coffee. Robusta coffee tree.
Ah, smaller.
Big tree, big leaf, small coffee bean. So here we have the cacao, yeah, cinnamon, yeah, ginger plant, here for the see over there. Yeah, and also here we have the special coffee from animal. Yeah, this one the it's not yet, yeah, until the yellow this one the detect. Oh, awesome. Yeah, this is coffee bean. Like this.
Oh.
Yeah, this is Arabica.
Oh.
Yeah, like this. And then the animal only eat this one, the fruit.
Ah,
And
okay.
for the skin, this one not eat. For the coffee, this one they just swallow it. And then fermentation for Hegawer. Yeah, after fermentation, this one the food. Yeah, this one the strong coffee, large caffeine. The flower. Yeah, for the flower cacao like this. Yeah, and this one the baby cacao.
And then it becomes a fruit.
Yeah, for the flower until the yellow, this one 6 months. Yeah. Yeah, you want small? Yeah, this is mangoes. Oh my god, that I love cinnamon.
Oh! Cinnamon gid siya.
Yeah, cinnamon bun. Cinnamon bun.
Mm-mm.
Cinnamon.
Oh!
Oh,
Matulog siya.
Yeah, this is a coffee bean.
He's sleeping.
How many are there? Oh, this one here we have one animal, and then we have more animal in the garden.
Ah.
Yeah, this is we have the just sample. Yeah.
They don't bite? Oh.
Coffee, this one 1 kilogram coffee, 45 minutes until 1 hour until nag-flow. Yeah, this is the manual.
Try sila, try. Ah, dari ka mag-hold. Dari ka mag-hold. Oh, isip. Smells so good.
Freshly roasted.
Lami no. Smells so good.
Yeah, and this one before powder we put here and we grind it again.
Ah.
Into the luwak coffee, maybe you can compare aroma luwak coffee and bali coffee. Yeah, this is luwak coffee.
So strong.
Oh, for the coffee, this one the strong coffee.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is luwak coffee. Yeah, this is the food from animal. Yeah.
That's from the civet.
Yeah, from the sheep like this. Yeah, this one after we clean. And after we fry like this. This one have the skin, but skin, this one we remove one by one.
One by one.
Yeah, one. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
This is Bali coffee.
Bali coffee.
This one coffee.
Luwak. Luwak.
Yeah, luwak.
Luwak.
Yeah. And this is luwak coffee.
Mm-mm.
And this one Bali coffee. This one different. This is the strong coffee. This
Yes,
is
yes.
special coffee. Strong coffee last caffeine because of the fermentation. This
Ah.
one from the tree. Yeah, for the process, this one same. We roasting.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we grinding until the powder. We put here. This is the last process.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and also here we have cacao. Yeah, this is
Ah.
cacao bean. Yeah, like this.
Cacao bean per ang
This one no have smell. After
Ah.
roasting, this one have smell. This one. Sa luwak eh. Belum dicuci. You want to try?
Like we can eat?
Yes. Yeah.
Pag di ko, okay ko.
And this one for the cacao. Yeah, here also we have the cacao powder. Cacao bean. Ini setelah kami cuci.
Lami, murag chocolate. Lami siya dyan pait. Diba? It's bitter.
Yeah. Pepper, cinnamon, this is cinnamon after we dry. No, tidak. Ini dalam buah cinnamon.
Oh, ini dalam.
Cinnamon hajin kayo siya.
Itu buat putih tak guna. Guna ini.
Oh.
Yes, after we dry. Wala pa ito. Yeah, the vanilla. Oh my god. Yeah, it's vanilla. Yeah, I love vanilla.
Ah, okay.
Stick this one not ready to take. After the like this one. Yeah, this one ready to take. This one one for it. We have tester. Yeah, for the tester we have tea and coffee. Yeah, for the coffee, all this one we put with honey. And then this one for the tea we put with honey. Coffee we put with sour cream and brown sugar. Okay. Yeah, just the Bali coffee. This one without sugar, and then Bali cacao. This one we put little bit sugar. Okay. Yeah, this is name for the tea. Rosella, mangosteen, lemon. We also. Okay. Yeah. Here we have the red ginger tea. Yeah, for the taste, this one more spicy. Yeah, this is red ginger and this one white ginger. Yeah, and also here we have cassava chips.
Cassava chips.
Yeah, cassava chips. And then for the luwak coffee, I still prepare here.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy your coffee. Thank you. You're welcome.
Mura gani akong inom gani ha. Mura siya ganang upang gi-press ang bako. No?
Muna ganahan mo. Kani ganahan ka na.
Kami mag-ahat ng. Yeah. Muna ganina. Pero concentrated lang to. Ano na kay? Nag-mute na? Murag maon siya.
Ay, di, napuan siya.
Nasettle mo sa
Nasettle
uwot.
siya.
Natabunan ka sa uwot.
Oh,
Jar.
Balik ko po.
Meaning,
Ang kanang kukuha sa akin na. Lagi, lagi kaayo, lagi.
luwak.
Yeah, for the coffee, this one without sugar, maybe you need with sugar in it.
Okay.
Okay.
And then later maybe you press in our product, instead of sugar.
Mm.
Okay, enjoy your coffee. Here.
Sama-sama.
Mawali.
Ba't na ako na yun?
Di man yun. Ito na.
Hmm?
Di man yun. Ito.
Oh, dili. Nabala ka na ka. Magpirok-pirok na mata. Ginseng coffee. Ginseng sa ito mga mangustin. Ah, dili. Ginseng yun.
Ginseng siya. Pero kuan siya, naa siya pagka-spicy gamay. Itong ginseng.
Not like cup of tea.
Sure, di ano din.
Ay, kasi nag-vibrate yung lips cup.
Ah, ang neat.
Ice coconut coffee.
Coconut.
Mura ka pala.
Coconut leaf.
Mura ka nag-3 in 1.
Lagi mo, sure kung mo nalilahay ka. Honey butter, honey butter.
Ko siya kanina
Wala na.
Vanilla. Tamis. As in,
Mura siya, tunog ito itong honey.
honey butter. Pwede ni buhok doon ito one.
Yeah.
Yummy. More siya mga 3 in 1 gani. Kaya tungod sa vanilla
White
nila.
crema. Oo. Ganahan ko.
Mao ba? Sabi siya siya.
Hindi ka na pait na kan. Hindi pait na.
What's the reaction? Ano sa ni? Ginger. This is ginger.
I hate it. Hate is a strong word, but I hate it. Ang imong kila. Sunog imong kila.
Hindi mo kapag... Ah, sige, taste. Una sa...
Spicy
una,
siya.
Dalawa
Katon pa kong spicy nga kape.
Di ba pag first day ka na, sulod din mo sa baba kay tamis.
Dili.
Tamis siya.
Sunog na,
No.
sunog na ako.
As in, ako siya, una kay tamis, niya murag, okay, di ka ma-expect
Ginger na na.
tulo ni mo. Di ka ma-expect, tulo ni mo na ano diri manangin.
Lamig, mas lamig ang mga ginseng ka dyan. Hindi mo alam na dyan.
What's that?
Second favorite na. Ano na?
Perfect.
Avocado.
Nice.
Ay.
Ngayon, mo ka.
Avocado dyan siya. May avocado na.
Mura siya ka ng sweet. Mura siya candy. Ano tawag yun ako candy na?
Ay, bubble gum.
Oh, bubble gum. Mura siya bubble gum.
Yeah.
Bubble gum mo siya candy. So, ano na sa ginger lang.
Tilaw ra, taste lang.
Yeah, like,
Set.
kamay lang. Oh, yung nabala ka na po niya.
Ay, fresh siya. Ay,
I think ang lahi dito ang preparation sa coffee with tea lang.
ganahan ko sa tea.
Wala ko, mahurot ka na siya.
Wala dyan mga tulog bitaw, ani bitaw. Magkuhan ako maghatab. Wala yung baki o wala yung tiki ng
I think, ganahan ka niya, it's because kami siya. Kumpara sa ginger nga coffee, murag strong ang coffee at the same time strong sa siya, so murag,
Yeah, like grabe yung dyan siya. Ako ang tilaok dyan na ako. Gana ka lemon.
dako ang kuha na to.
Gana ko lemon tea. Ano mo, salan akong lemon.
Wala.
Unya na, nagmana na ito kanina.
So far, ginger pa ko.
Max.
Max
na candy. Na kuan nga init. Turmeric. Ganahan akong turmeric sa kuan. Curry. Pwede ko na turmeric. Ito ay habas man ka surprising. Go. Cheer. Dila. Magkuan man gud naman good turmeric tea si mama. Turmeric ginger tea si mama. Okay, katabang siyang digestion pero ganahan mo turmeric.
Baho na pa. Ano? Tangat?
Diba?
Bago niya gamuri ka ng pasta.
Ano pasta? Directly? Dalahan? Dalahan ko.
Ang laad.
Tanggad gani.
At doon na siya sa utan. Pabiling ka sa utan. Wala mo sa gimo gini.
Gimix ako.
Instant is
Now this. Now this.
Mangustin?
Candy.
Wait, sa baho pa lang?
Candy. Grabe ka tanga dani. Lami siya. Mo siya lemon, pero spicy gamay.
Familiar lagi ang grasa.
Mangustin
Dili, wala mo kapatilaw yung mangustin dyan nga. Pero familiar yung grasa.
Mo siya candy dahil hirap. Mo siya max nga pula.
Sakto. Not bad. Max nga pula. Si Max nga pula.
Max nga
yellow. Max nga yellow. Naram na dari sa. Bali si Max.
Dosela. Mo siya grape. Pero ako ang guhaton. Mo ako ganahan. Magimo ba ako lemon ginger tea?
Suka na siya.
Now that's Kulo pa naman natulawan din ako.
Ay, hindi ka nang isa niya. Murag, ganun ako i-appreciate niya. Natulunan ako. Niya na, nasangit din.
Nasangit
Sumuto
ako
niya.
ang ginger.
Sa flower niya. Siya perfect.
Ang dosela.
Lagi, pero mura siya.
Ganahan mo tilaw. Lemon ginger. Ano din ako?
Hindi gatekeep. Mocha.
Wait lang, Nabel. Wait lang.
Anong feeling na sumakses ka? Sumakses ka eh. Yup. Okay. Wow! Debak.
Wait, chabawanin ha. Wala back out ay ha.
Try to open your hand. Open your hand.
Mamalikas dahil na. Nice. Perfect. Watch out. What? What? No!
You wanna maybe little bit lower?
Take a deep breath. Ginawa sa... Okay na siya. Uy. Ay, she's... Lower. Dili! No, you're not gonna fall off. Ano lang? Diyan lang. Okay, kana. Better. Parang ako kagituya, good.
What's your problem?
Hands free.
Sophie! Sige nga, awak.
Yeah, this is nice place.
Oh, okay.
Sangye, monkey forest.
Asange. Oh, okay. So this is the first ever.
There's monkey on the wall, many monkey.
Oh, there. That's so chubby.
Chubby monkey.
That's so chubby. OMG. Are the tourists allowed to feed them?
Yes, I think.
Oh, they're trying to feed the monkey. Oh, wow. Oh my god.
Wow. It's like we're in a dinosaur area.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Like in the Jurassic
Yes. Oh my god. My fantasies are coming true, charot.
Lot number is different. AD.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
Bali is a DK.
Oh yeah, DK.
So do they come here by boat?
Yeah, with the ferry.
Oh, Java is the next island.
Yeah. Java and then Sumatra. Surrounding, yeah, surrounding the lake.
Surrounded the lake.
In the end, we will see the lake
Oh.
in front of us. Amazing.
That's Lake Beratan.
Beratan Lake.
That's the what we seen Sininato last time we went to Kintami. Oh no.
Kintaman.
Kintaman. Ah, okay. Oh, so there's a lot of lake here in
Yeah,
Bali.
there's 3 lakes. That's why we're going to the Wanagiri Hidden Hill to see the other lake.
Ah, okay.
Danau Buyan.
Oh, so much traffic.
Yeah, because that intersection.
Danau is lake.
Danau is lake.
Back to school.
West
Bandung.
This Bandung is for patient.
Ah.
Cloth.
Ah,
Cloth,
okay.
shoes.
Ah, okay. Okay.
When is the start of the school here?
I think already going to school now.
Ah.
But only now because the Sunday holiday.
Yeah.
There's the lake.
Oh, this is
Wow.
Lake Beratan.
This is Beratan Lake.
Beratan, Danau Beratan. Nobody's swimming here.
Yeah.
Are there fishes there?
Fish, yeah.
Ah.
You can fishing. Yeah. You can rent the what you mean going fishing.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of them.
You can take from the far away
Yeah.
and you can block all. And there's many monkey too.
In this area.
Yeah, in that jungle.
Mountain.
Yeah, you will passing. So we have governor. But Bali have a nine area, 9 district. Every district have a head of the district. We call it Bupati.
Kita lang. smiles on it.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna play the next one. I like the one with the Cardi B. So baby, don't play.
Miss Universe 2020. Bakit sa kuha, di ba? Ito kuha, swim sa competition. Out of nowhere. That was so out of nowhere.
Okay, yeah.
Tambal sa kuan.
Happy na. Ikaw, Serena, kumusta?
Ihutoy ko. But okay.
Okay, fighting.
Fighting na. Dahil sa dami ko.
So we are inside of a dinosaur. Telling you, I've been yapping all day about dinosaur, but here we are inside of a dinosaur. And there's a lot of cactus. Makita makagyapon na nagpayong talo.
I'll be there wherever you are. I need somebody.
Oh, okay. We got it. Okay. Nice.
Okay.
I need somebody. Yan, nakakita sa Japanese cuisine dito. Nani?
Unsa meaning man ana? Lawyer.
Meaning ba if like wala ko yung ballpen gadala. Ay, nasa bag. How much is that? 7786.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Thank you. Anak ka, dili ka mukha sa kubi, klaro doon ka. Yeah.
Tamasturya ka sa bus. I thought. Imo na lang guys.
Uy, klaro.
Ika. I don't know, ganahan ko makaon. Matulog na ko diretso na. Order ka na. Let's go.
Ikaw po doon para duha ba? Sama na lang. How does it feel?
Wala, di na ko ganahan mabasa ako buho.
Hey, excuse us.
Ganahan ako ganagamit ko. Gali, ma'am. O niya na mukhaon sa tag-gutom na ko.
Pero last na, okay, after. Wala siya yung
Nagpadol mo, nagpadol. Mukhaon. Thank you. Enjoy this one.
Nice. Sana siya active participation.
Bye.